The fourth bout of the evening is under the mini fly division. Weighs in at 100. Introducing from the red corner, he weighs in at 105 pounds from Cebu City with professional records of 4 wins with no defeat. Fighting under the Ala Boxing Stable, Milan Melendo. Milan Melendo. His opponent across the ring from Davao City, who weighs in at 100.5 pounds with professional records of 4 wins and 2 losses. Fighting under the Gonzales Boxing Stable, Amino Rica Blanca. Amino Rica Blanca. Referee in charge, Teddy Alivio. Judges at ringside, Marcos Ulrean, Salvin Lagumbay, and Celso Miranda. This is 6 rounds of professional boxing.
Well, veteran referee Teddy Alivio, the third man in the ring in this fight between Milan Melindo and Amiro Rica Blanca. Well, kakaibang pangalan to, Amiro
Oo nga, no?
Rica Blanca.
Okay, 6-rounder in the minimum weight division. Si Melindo po undefeated with 4 wins, 1 knockout.
Yan po yung naka-light trunks.
Oo, si Rica Blanca naman meron 2 panalo, 4 na talo. At galing siya sa isang magandang panalo over Bobong Valdez. Yan. Kala ko kaibigan natin. Yan po ay ginanap sa Davao del Sur.
Panalo yung parati.
Ayan. Tama.
Boss Bobong.
Yan.
Alright, as we said, Milan Melindo, the light trucks. Nakamaroon naman ito si Rica Blanca.
These boys look pretty big for minimum weights.
Minimum weights, you know? 105-pound limit. May height ng konti. Matipuno naman ang pangangatawan.
Ito, nagdo-double left si Rica Blanca. Both fighters using the jab very, very effectively.
Medyo matyaga pareho itong dalawang boksingero ito.
Para mas maganda ang depensa ni Melindo. Naka-cover up siya. Well, parang kumaka-counter lang Kumaka-counter ito si Melindo. Now he digs
Shot
that
to the
left.
red basket.
Naku, another one.
Yun pa, uppercut pa. Couple of punches to the face after digging the bread basket of Rica Blanca. Ayun pa. Ang mga patama sa katawan kay Melindo.
Ayun ang tawag doon ay tenderizer. Softening up the opponent.
Pampalambot ng karne.
At si Melindo looks like he's concentrating on that aspect. Yung body attack niya, tapos biglang aarangkada siya and he goes upstairs.
I'd like to remind you the fight card is entitled Stars of the Future. And we're seeing a lot of potential international campaigners. Of course, a lot of them are raw talents, Yung mga diamonds in the rough, and with the proper guidance and training, we hope that we will see them in the future fighting for international recognition.
Potential. That's what they have here. Now, si Melindo is only 18 years old, partner, no? And he was born in Puerto Cagayan de Oro and is a 2-time Palarong Pambansa gold medalist. Yan po si Milan Melindo.
Saan yung Puerto Cagayan de Oro? Sa Cagayan de Oro City? Sa Barangay Puerto siguro, no? Yun. First round is over. And the scheduled 6-rounder between Milan Melindo and Amiro Rica Blanca. Binabanggit nga po natin, Stars of the Future in Philippine Boxing. Yan po ang ating fight card brought to you by the City Government of Tagbilaran, Solar Sports, and SGG Promotions. Mga kaibigan po natin na nagtulong-tulong dito, si Honorable Dan Nerilim, Mayor ng Tagbilaran City, Of course, si Sammy Heloani of SGG Promotions, Tony Aldeguer of the Tony Aldeguer stable of Cebu. Although meron na rin gym dito si Tony Aldeguer sa Tagbilaran City. And marami nagkukwento sa atin, Tinito, na ang dami raw mga hopefuls, mga nagnanasa maging boksingero have been trooping to the gym of Mr. Tony Aldeguer. They don't recruit boxers anymore. They just show up. Dumarating na lang sa gym. That's how boxing crazy Tagbilaran City is.
Ayan palagay ko, we have to credit Mayor Dan Lim, who's a sports, very, very sports-minded. And he's given an opportunity for these young kids to come out and try their luck in the ring, of course, inspired by the success of Manny Pacquiao.
I like the body punching style of Milan Melindo up against Rica Blanca, Amiro Rica Blanca. One, two, three. Galing kay Melindo Milan. Kaliwa naman, galing kay Rica Blanca.
Very active si Rica Blanca, ha?
Yeah.
He's throwing a lot of punches. He's a very busy fighter. Pero mas accurate at saka calculating ito si Melindo.
Ako nahihirapan.
Shots, to the side of the body.
Kay Rica Blanca. Ang dami niya tinatanggap
sa tagiliran.
Sa katawan
Well, siguro sinasabi
That's
ni...
bound to tell.
Ito, parang umiiwas-iwas na rin dito si Rica Blanca. Nasasaktan
Dapat
na ito. Yeah. And not only that, despite the fact that very busy fighter ito si Rica Blanca, maganda ang depensa ni Melindo Kanya sa dami ng mga suntok na binibigay ni Rica Blanca, a lot of them hindi namang connecting.
Milan moves in a classic way, yung forma niya, ang ganda
Magandang style. And of course, when he throws that jab, it's a very pointed jab.
Yeah.
Masakit yung jab niya, hindi yung papetik-petik na jab.
Ito mo? Just like in the movies
Yeah.
Ito si Melindo Milan. Kung tumira
Ang tigas ng jab.
Tapos,
ang kulang na kay Melindo. Yes.
Pero yung sa setup niya, jab, pagkatapos kombinasyon.
Parang just to catch the attention of his opponent.
Nakakasama na rin yung timing niya ron. Isa pa.
Focusing on the jab. Yun.
Tapos
Yun naman yung jab.
yan.
Tagiliran.
Bang.
Magandang base ng bata na to. Rica Blanca.
This is round number 2 of a scheduled 6-rounder. Mamaya po mga kaibigan, mapapanood ninyo Filipino hopefuls going up against veteran boxers from Thailand.
Now you notice that si Rica Blanca, we did mention that he was a very busy fighter earlier. He's not as busy now any longer. Yung work rate niya, bumaba na rito.
Well, he was very busy defending himself. Yun ang nangyayari doon. And of round number 2 of this fight card coming to you from Tagbilaran City, Stars of the Future, brought to you by SGG Promotions and Solar Sports. Back in a moment. At napakarami po ng ating mga kaibigan na nagsitungo rito sa parking lot ng ICM Island City Mall ng Tagbilaran City to watch the Stars of the Future. Hatid po ng Tagbilaran City Government, Solar Sports, SGG Promotions. At siyempre pa, taong bayan ng Tagbilaran City have come in droves to watch this fight card. Maya-maya po yung ating dalawang main event will feature young hopefuls from Bohol going up against or getting a acid test against Thai boxers na mga veterano na rin po sa larangan ng professional boxing. Meanwhile, this match between Milan Melindo and the light trunks against Amiro Rica Blanca. Round number 3, scheduled for 6. No knockdowns so far. Pero nakikita natin itong si Melindo has been landing a lot of punches, and Rica Blanca has been having his hands full trying to contain the attack being launched by Melindo. Though here at the start of the third, si Rica Blanca again trying to get more aggressive, pero yun na naman yung mga body shots ni Milan Melindo.
Maganda ang depensa ni Melindo.
Yeah.
So even if umaatake ito si Rica Blanca,
Tsaka yung counter niya na iilagan
oo.
Yung counter ni Rica Blanca, no?
Napipick off ni Melindo yung mga tira ni Rica Blanca. And now on the attack is Melindo. Again, those shots of Rica Blanca landing on the arms, on the gloves of Melindo.
That one was wild.
Oo.
Ito yung mga diin ni Melindo inside, ano? Pagka in-fighting, titirahin niya sa katawan. Pagkatapos yung pang-exclamation point niya, yung upper sa mukha. Stinging left jab coming from Milan Melindo.
Again, sineset up ni Melindo kanyang kalaban with that left jab, and then he goes to the body. I think Rica Blanca's increasingly getting frustrated dito. Siya ang tinatamaan dito.
May uppercut.
Oho, naku, sunod-sunod yun. And Rica Blanca's leaning back, then he gets it in the bread basket.
As I said, you know, I really like the way Melindo comes up with classic moves.
Ang maganda dito kay Melindo is that he's a two-way fighter, no? Good offensive fighter and a good defensive fighter.
Ayun pa, oh.
Ito is opening up now.
Meanwhile, Rica Blanca trying to get in some points.
At saka hindi nawawala sa focus doon si
Yeah.
Melindo. He's always there with that stance, always covering up after going in the attack. Maganda ang kanyang pinapakita dito.
And good anticipation on the part of Milan Melindo. No? Every time Rica Blanca tries to time his counter punches, alam na ni Melindo na darating, so he's not there anymore. Gets out of the way in time, and that has caused Rica Blanca to get a little frustrated here. Ito yung katawan, no?
Open na open yung katawan. Nakita natin that right hand landing right there.
Ooh, that
Left
uppercut ay pa
and
isa.
another.
Meron pa isa yan eh. Oh,
Oo.
hindi lang tumama doon.
Oo, lean back that time.
Pero
Yun
ito
na
sa
naman.
katawan na naman.
One of the big crowd dito sa Bohol, and it's always a pleasure to come to Bohol.
Yes.
Unang-una,
Beautiful place.
to enjoying the hospitality of the good mayor, si Mayor Dan Junjun Neri Lim. And he always brings us to a hotel that we really like to stay in, yung Bohol Tropics
Oh
Resort.
yeah, beautiful place.
Beautiful
Darling,
hotel. Oo. Very comfortable.
yeah. The amenities are superb.
Ay, oo. And not only that, but in Bohol, there are so many good tourist destinations.
Yeah.
Chocolate Hills, napupuntahan, yung Panlao, and also a lot of
Yung Tarsier,
resort inns.
yung Tarsier.
Dito din ang galing yun, no?
Oh, hindi, meron silang reserve dito, no?
Ganun ba? Yung,
Yes.
that's the world's smallest
Yes.
monkey.
Uh-huh.
Diba? Yung Tarsier.
And very nice, you know, very peaceful there. Yung, of course, the Baclayan Church, which is one of the oldest churches in the Philippines, and they preserved that. So, marami mapupuntahan dito sa...
Meron din mga dolphins na makikita dito?
Probably yung sa facing the ocean. No? Maraming, well, you know, seafood dito, yun ang pinatarget ko parati. Marami dito. So, masarap
Bohol
yan.
has become a major tourist destination
Definitely, yeah.
in the country. And of course, congratulations to Mayor Dan Neri Lim for making things happen dito sa Tagbilaran City.
Ito, and Melindo is also making things happen
Sa loob ng ring.
inside the ring with those stinging body shots to the side and red basket of Amiro Rica Blanca of Davao.
Very methodical, ha? Ito si Melindo. And very accurate and very patient. Hindi siya nagmamadali dito, no? He's picking his punches, fighting good defense.
Ako, nagugustuhan ko lang. Sarap panoorin eh, oh.
Oo.
Sabi ko nga, parang ka nanonood ng sine, eh, oh.
Classic style ito eh.
Talagang, sa libro, eh.
Siguro ang kulang lang kay Melindo, if I might mention, is yung parang excitement level, yung explosiveness.
Oo.
Yun eh, isang trait na siguro hinihintay na ng mga tao because Manny Pacquiao showed the way.
Well, yung nga, nakita natin yung mga combinations niya, no? Yung, to the body and then to the head. Siguro kung magiging mas solid yan at mas malakas, ano? At, mas damaging.
Oo.
Yun, that should stir up some excitement.
Eh, kanina nakita natin, sumihot natin si Rica Blanca.
Oo.
Natawa tuloy yung mga tao rito, nanonood. We're in a parking lot dito sa labas ng Island City Mall, which is a very, very nice mall dito sa Tagbilaran City.
It's very cool.
Sandali, ano yan?
ito?
Headbutt, accidental headbutt yata.
Yeah.
Ito, may damage ba? Yes, there is damage. At pinatitingnan ng ating third man in the ring na si Teddy Alivio. And there is a motion that, yes,
Headbutt nga.
headbutt yun. Now, we are now using yung bagong rules ng Games and Amusements Board where kung 6-rounder and if the fight is stopped because of an accidental headbutt, within the first 3 rounds, automatic technical draw yan. If after 3 rounds, you go to the scorecards. Now, it looks like ringside physician saying, okay, tuloy ang ligaya.
And,
Pero hindi maligaya ito si Rica Blanca.
well,
Medyo malungkot siya dito at siyang nabubugbog.
I'm sure Melindo also feels disappointed dahil nasugatan siya, no? And that might make this fight abbreviated. Okay, end of round number 4. We're scheduled for 6. We'll be back with more action from Tagbilaran City after these. All right, and si Miss Tagbilaran is here. Banggit nga po natin, fiesta po ng Tagbilaran City bukas, May 1. So, bispera po ng fiesta ng San Jose. Yan po ang patron saint ng Tagbilaran City. That's why we have the beauty queens in attendance in this fight card.
Oo nga, nakita natin no, yung mga beauties ng Tagbilaran
Yeah.
City. All in a row, pretty made. All in a row.
Yes. Ito naman ang ating stars of the future. We've got Milan Melindo in the light trunks, Amiro Rica Blanca in the maroon shorts. Ito, in fighting, dito, si Melindo has shown na mas damaging yung kanyang mga body shots, mga uppercut, at yun, left cross.
Ay, talagang sinusukat ni Melindo itong kalaban niya. And very selective, no?
Yeah.
Kumbaga sa basketball, yung shot selection niya, napakaganda. And also his accuracy level, no? Again, that raper-like left jab na very pointed.
Ayan na, combo na yung dumarating.
Oo.
Hindi na pa isa-isang video okay singer. Buong banda ang dinala ni Milan Melindo.
Ayan.
Full orchestra. And, well, Rica Blanca trying to at least get some shots in.
Well, he must feel very frustrated at this
Yeah.
point. No? Hindi niya siguro malaman ko anong gagawin niya rito.
Hindi siya makapagpatama
Oo, siya ang tinatamaan dito. Kanina, he was a much busier fighter pero hindi naman naglalanding yung mga tira niya. And now, he's trying to crowd si Melindo. And that's probably one strategy he will try to apply kasi distance fighter ito si Melindo, ha. Medium distance fighter, hindi yung long distance fighter. At dun siya nakaka-score
Pero
because of his left jab, no?
Pero he's also not averse to fighting it
Pwede rin, kaya din niya,
toe-to-toe, di ba?
oo. Kaya rin niya,
Ayan,
oo.
katulad niya, no?
Oo. Pero nakita natin, no, ito si Rica Blanca is
Right.
moving inside. And he's got to be...
Looking for one big punch.
Oo, I think so. Mahigpit talaga itong depensa ni,
Yes.
ni Melindo. And for a fighter with only 4 bouts tucked under his belt, he's showing a lot of class and promise.
Yeah. Sabi nga natin yung sa estilo pa lang, parang napakatagal na niya lumalaban
Oo. Magandang style itong
Very
bata na to.
deliberate. At
Well,
walang mga
Wasted motion.
motions. Oo.
Sabi nga natin, itong fight card presented to us by Tony Aldeguer and Sammy Helyoani. This will unveil the stars of the future.
At definitely, marami tayong nakikitang potensyal dito sa labang ito at natutuwa po tayo that well, alam naman natin sa Cebu marami nang nangyayaring mga boxing events, of course in Manila, in Metro Manila, pero Tagbilaran City is slowly putting itself on the map, just a few months ago, nakita natin dito, of course, si Ray Boom Boom Bautista and Cesar Amonsot. But that was something else, yung fight card na yun. We had, about 20,000 people
Oo nga, dami
in
nun.
the Carlos P. Garcia Stadium. There's the man we were talking about, Mayor Dan Neri Lim.
Sino ko yung tinetext niya? Ako yatang
Ikaw
nagtetext.
yata
Yan, si Mayor Dan Junjun Neri Lim.
A very amiable city executive.
Yes. Well, we did say that this card is to unveil the stars of the future ng Philippine boxing. And in recognition of that, ang World Boxing Organization Vice President for Asia and the Pacific, si Leon Panoncillo, is
Nice
at
here.
ringside.
Yeah.
He flew all the way from his home in Hawaii to be here para panoorin itong mga stars of the future natin.
So, malaking opportunity ito para sa mga boksingero natin. Especially now that Filipino boxers are in demand. And as we pointed out time and again, credit should be given to Manny Pacquiao for this renewed interest in Filipino boxers because he has opened that door. At, well, it's up to the boxers and, of course, the managers and promoters to take advantage, to capitalize on this particular opportunity. Samantala, mga kaibigan, this is the 6th and final round of this fight between Milan Melindo in the light trunks and Amiro Ricablanca in maroon. No knockdowns so far. A cut was opened in the face of Melindo back in round number 4, caused by an accidental headbutt, and a point was taken away from Ricablanca. Uy, medyo tumutukod na ito si Ricablanca nung mahawak na doon sa hita ni Melindo.
And again, digging those shots to the side of the body in the midsection. Sasakit ang katawan nitong si Ricablanca bukas.
Oo.
Baka ngayon, masakit na nga eh.
I'm sure nag-uumpisa na, na umepekto yung kanina pang mga tikada nitong si Melindo sa katawan ni Ricablanca. Pero matibay din,
Oo.
Matibay ito si Amiro
He's taken a
Ricablanca.
lot of shots here
Oh, yeah.
thrown by Melindo.
Uhu. 1, 2, 3. Galing kay Milan Melindo.
Nababasa ni Melindo kung saan manggagaling yung mga suntok ni Ricablanca. That's why he's able to defend himself very well. And plus, after umatake yung kalaban niya, he's
Siya naman.
right there. Oh, he's right there for the counterattack. Kaagad.
Well, obviously, rather Ricablanca is befuddled by the style of Melindo. He has been unable to figure it out the entire fight. And we're in the closing seconds of the 6th rounder.
Tsaka, I have to mention, Ed, throughout this 6-round fight, yung dalawang kamay ni Melindo never na bumaba. Very, very disciplined fighter. Certainly knows how to fight defensively. And this is going to be a clear-cut win on points for Milan Melindo. No doubt about it.
It's going to be a big surprise if it goes the other way. But, credit Amiro Ricablanca. He never lost his composure. Was always in there. Kaya lang, medyo hindi niya ma-figure out itong si Milan Melindo. And as we said, he had his hands full trying to parry the blows. Ayun na naman yung tirada sa tagiliran, no? Ayun. So, saan ka lalagay? You protect the side of your body, titirahin ka ng uppercut sa mukha. So, as we said, no, we had hoped that Ricablanca would be busier with his offense, but he was much too busy on defense to think about offense. So, well, let's just see how the judges saw it. As we go to the scorecards once again. And let's go up the ring to Ramil Ayuman.
After 6 rounds of boxing, we have a winner, and let's go to the scorecard. Judge Marcos Lorenz scores about 60-53. Judge Salvin Agumay scores about 60-53. And Judge Celso Miranda scores about 60-54. All judges in favor to the winner by unanimous decision, Milan Melindo. Milan Melindo.
Well, shutout.
Yeah.
All judges
6
giving
rounds.
all 6 rounds to Melindo. That's exactly the way we saw it.
That's right. That well, a big win there by Milan Melindo. Stay tuned, folks. This is the Stars of the Future from Tagbilaran City, brought to you by Solar Sports, SGG Promotions, and the city government of Tagbilaran. We'll be right back.
City government of Tagbilaran.